All right. Hey guys, this is the second session of Mesh live coding. And last week we demonstrated how to wrap your Web2 Next app with Mesh and access the wallet and everything inside the wallet on your front end. And today we will be demonstrating how to interact with smart contracts and or validators, and we'll be talking about how to even like write your validator inside of your repo, and then getting the necessary artifacts for that validator, and lastly interacting with that validator through transactions. Is that all good, you guys?
Yeah.
All right, perfect.
Perfect.
So where I will start from is I'm going to delete this test validator completely and start from ground zero.
You've not
What do you
start.
guys think?
Okay.
I mean, if you want, like, where do you guys, what do you guys have in mind, Andrew and Emmanuel?
Yeah, I wanted to say you've not started sharing your screen.
Oh, you're right. I did not start sharing my screen. Let me share. Um, okay. So this is where we are at. So I was thinking I will delete the test validator from here, and I will block out all of this and start do all of this again from ground zero. So what we can see is this thing up here. What do you guys think?
No,
Or
you go for it.
should we
You've
go
got a
in a
plan.
different direction? I'm
No,
open to
you've got.
anything.
If we've
Mhm.
got time, then I'll do a hook later. If not next week, because there's lots of bits to it that we need to cover really. So
Mhm.
no, if you've got a plan now, I say go with it.
Yeah. So yeah, let's do it. So I'm going to do one thing. So I'm going to start from here and I'm going to delete this. Um,
There's no need for um.
that's fine. I mean, I'll just start from here. And in the components, I'm going to delete this spend artifact component. So that we all can like start from ground zero and see where all we get stuck. And we don't need this for the time being. And I'm going to remove this. Um, I'm gonna write a test here. So I'm going to start the repo and see where what we have on the front end. On the front end, we have this site can't be reached is what we have. What did I delete? Unable to acquire lock. Is another
Yeah. Did you
instance.
close down your previous server?
Yes, now I did. Did I? Did I close? Oh, I did not close down the previous server. I think that was
Yeah.
like it. Okay. Mm, okay, there you go. We'll open this. Yes, this is what we have. So test is what I put. And last week we discussed how to connect the wallet and all of that. So I can directly connect the wallet, and here is my wallet. I can disconnect it. So today let's start with a simple validator uh, in our repo. So what do you guys think is the first step for this? If I had to start a validator, if I had to write a validator in our repo, what would I do first? Anyone has ideas?
Do you have the validator already, or are you?
I'll just copy like a basic validator, hello world or something from Aiken. But should I what would I do next if I had to
Well,
set that validator up?
since we're in an app router, you'd need to make sure that you're doing it as a. In fact, no, I'm going to shut up because I'm not entirely sure. You go for
Fair enough, fair
it.
enough. Emmanuel or Ahmed or Johandre, do you guys have any ideas?
um I think the first thing to do is to get the validator prepared, like the validator we are talking about. So
Yeah, I do
yeah,
have to prepare the
bring
validator, but to prepare it, I'll have to create
a
like a
folder.
internal repo inside of our repo. So for that, we will directly go to the Aiken docs and see how Aiken is doing it. So when you go to Aiken, and let's see, getting started. or yeah, let's see, getting started. I think we have done this before. So this is what we need to do. This is the command we need to enter uh, to start an Aiken repo inside of our repo. So Aiken new. So this is mesh live coding slash, and we'll name our repo. Sorry, name our validator. This is like a hello mesh. So hello mesh validator. And where did I mesh live coding is not a valid project name. It is
That'll be all
malformed.
lowercase. All
Is
lowercase, yeah.
it's all lowercase?
No, it's not. You
Yes.
put a capital M in.
Oh, this one. Okay, let's see. All right. So can I do this? You
Oh,
think?
yeah.
Okay, let's try this. Boom, and it's done. So, like Andrew said, you cannot use capital letters inside of the names. It'll have to be all small letters. So once you created hello mesh, it creates all of these, and it gives you like a placeholder .ak validator, and you just replace this with whatever validator you want. For now, I'm going to replace it with a validator that Mesh already provides, which is the Hello World validator. Am I there? Hello World, there it
Actually,
is.
just before you carry on, just for anybody else
Mhm.
who's listening, because I actually don't know the answer to this question anymore. Do you have to have installed Aiken separately before you get to that stage?
Yes,
You do.
yes, absolutely. We will
That's
have to install Aiken separately, and I've done that in the Aiken live coding, so I didn't have to do it
yeah, good.
right now. But yeah, you'll have to install ACUP, and then with ACUP you install Aiken.
That sounds right. Yeah, I reckon. Remember that.
Yeah. And this is the hello world.ak validator. I'm just copying it. I'm going to make a couple of tiny changes in it. Um, so command A. So yeah, so in this they are saying um, a UTXO can be unlocked from this script if if the owner matches, and also if the redeemer has the correct byte array. But I'm going to remove the owner so that anyone that types hello world in a redeemer can unlock UTXOs from this script. Okay, so I won't be needing this guy, and I won't
Uh,
be needing datum. Yeah,
yeah, why removing the datum?
because I don't need the datum. Um,
Uh, I don't know, but I
mhm.
just feel maybe it would be nice and like we should run the whole validator as it is.
uh,
It's not an Aiken course, so Manuel, we just want to get onto the mesh bit.
Okay, okay.
yeah.
Yeah,
So this is
because
just a test. We can always change this up and like do this process again,
okay,
you know.
okay,
So I'm keeping it as minimal as possible for now.
okay, okay.
Yeah. So now this is the validator. I've put underscore for datum and self because we are not using this here. And that's it. So we are set with the validator. Now that our validator is all set up, can anyone tell me what the next step is? So now my next step is that I want plutus.json file, which is basically converting icon to .plutus. Can anyone tell me what command I'd use to produce the
So now,
plutus.json file?
if I was you, I would have run Aiken check first just to make sure everything looks good, and then
Yeah.
Aiken build.
So I can check. Yeah, I can check is good, but we could use I can build as well. I couldn't find Aiken Toml. Can you tell me what we need to do for this? It is saying I cannot find Open Toml. So where did we go wrong?
You need to get in the right directory, so you need to be inside your
Exactly. So
validator.
cd, what is our directory's name? Hello mesh.
Hello mesh validators.
All right. And now let's try Aiken check. So it's saying we have an unknown type in our validator, so which is datum. So it doesn't know what datum is. So instead of that, I'm going to type data.
Oh, okay, yes,
Yeah.
yes,
And
yeah.
see if it works. Or maybe I should import the data type, but I would think we don't have to import that type. Use Aiken collection list, unused model, collection
I,
list. So we don't need this
I
guy.
like their help comments. They're just like, no big
Yeah.
deal. It's casual.
Yeah.
It's just like cleaning up.
You're all right. Yeah.
Let's try this. So why is it saying? Oh, and you just need to save this. Mm. Okay, so zero errors, zero warnings. I think we're all set here. Now, what I would want to do to get the .plutus file is Aiken build. Okay, so here, do you see any Plutus files? No, you don't. But once Plutus.json files, but once you do this, you'll see a Plutus.json file. There you go. You see the Plutus.json file?
Yes.
So this is basically a Plutus file, which is presented in the JSON format. Okay, so now we have that Plutus.json file, and it is and as you can see, this is a spend script. So that means the artifacts we need for this script are its CBOR and its address. So whatever UTXO exists in the address that we are about to create will have to follow this logic to unlock UTXOs. Make sense? We good
Yes.
until now? Okay. Mm, all right. So now we have this. What do we do? Okay, now it's time for artifacts. So for artifacts, since we are working on like a front end project, let me go to the front end part of it. Okay. Um, and what do we do? So we'll go to the app, and this is the page. Here we just have test. So let's do one thing. We will follow this one. Um, First steps for so mesh blueprint. So if I type mesh blueprint, it'll give me like some steps to, I think it is mesh blueprint. Block frost, serious script, export script cbor, compile code. No, script address is serialized Brutus. Script cbor and script address. This is exactly what I need. So let's follow this. So what is it importing? Serialize. Apply parameters. Oh, so we
Yeah,
don't need apply parameters to script because our script is not parameterized,
Yeah,
is it?
that's definitely
Uh,
back end code there, just before you.
yeah, that's what I was thinking because they're using
Yeah.
Node.fs.
yeah, and
Um,
Let
Asha,
uh
yeah, just a quick one.
mhm.
Like I would just like to say, like, why we are needing our script address is because the validator is a pending validator.
Correct.
Yeah, had it
Only
been
spending validators need addresses.
yes, had it been maybe it's a meeting right now, you won't even need to go to deriving your address or resolving your address from the CBOR. The script hash is enough for that. Yeah, so
Correct. No, 100%. I completely agree.
yeah, yeah, I'm just yeah, I just feel like saying that.
No, 100, I agree with you. I agree with you. But I feel
Mm.
like eventually we'll have to demonstrate not just a spend address, but also a mint address. Sorry, not a mint address, like a mint validator. If we have time today, we can quickly do like a mint validator and demonstrate the same thing as well. You know, because for both you'll need the CBOR. For a spend, you need the script address. For a mint, you just need the.
The
Oh,
hash.
wait, yeah. What do you need for? You need the policy ID for a mint.
Mm.
Yeah. Um. But what was I thinking? Validators. Uh,
that would probably make more sense
uh,
using that, possibly.
what was
Oh,
that,
that's
Andrew?
sorry. No, you carry on. Again, that.
Yeah, so I'm just looking for the code snippet where they use the front end to get the artifacts. Uh, where did I find that? I can't remember
I
where
think
I
it
found
was
it.
the mesh docs itself.
Yeah.
Right here, doc. Oh, you're right. It should
The
be
mesh
in
docs.
mesh docs.
Yes. Mm.
Uh, eh, um,
You have the tab open already.
Yeah.
This Aiken.
in those 100 tabs you've
Oh,
got, it
this is
says
in
Aiken.
Aiken. Jesus Christ.
Yeah,
You're
yeah, yeah.
right. I should be in Mesh. You're
Yes,
right.
yes.
Yeah, no wonder I was so confused. Okay. Uh, so what they are saying here is this is how they resolve the artifacts. So they're creating a Pluto script and they're creating the CBOR object, which has two methods, which one is the encode method and one is the toString method. And this Pluto script has a version number. Okay, so let's do this now. So right now, I'm going to create a component. I'm going to create a component and let's call this spend artifacts.tsx. Okay. So here we will import what all things are necessary. So we have CBOR here, so I'll have to import CBOR. And by the way, I am able to import CBOR directly, but if you are starting for the first time, you'll have to install CBOR. So you'll have to do npm install CBOR. Okay. Um, so let's see what we have. I'm going to import the CBOR and I'm going to import Pluto script. And yeah, first let me import these guys. Oh, where am I? So I import these guys. So Pluto script from data slash Pluto. So no, so ours is in hello mesh. Hello mesh. Okay. Mm, what else do we import? We should import. So the resolve Pluto script address is something we need to import. And we need to, what else do we need? Pluto script. Yeah, I think we need this. Pluto script and data. And lastly, we will have to use wallet. Yeah, I think we'll have to import resolve Pluto script address. So import.
So while you're busy there, interesting enough, I see the mesh docs, they use the version 2 of Pluto, so not the new
Yep,
version.
yep. We'll have to change it.
Mm,
We'll have to change it to version 3 because ours, if you notice here, if you go to the plutus.json file,
it's
it will
running the
say we are
3.
in version 3. So we'll just have to
Yeah.
change the version number. Uh,
I think is it the mesh docs are slightly out of date. I believe it all works with V3. It was
yeah,
Asteria.
it all works with, they're
Yeah,
not out of date, but when they created all of this, it was like version 2. That was the latest version back
yeah.
then. Mm, okay, so we have all, fuck, I always like scroll to the wrong side. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, so we have all of that. So now I am going to copy paste this guy. But I think this guy needs to be in a use effect. So let's get there. Okay, so let me get, sorry, import use state, comma, use effect from React. Okay, so we have that guy. Uh, export default. Okay, so this is perfect. Uh, I'm gonna just go with this guy. Okay, so we have something here. So we need to, we have set the address, but I also want the CBOR. Constant. I'm gonna change this up. Okay. The string or null, that's very good. Pluto script. Oh, I have no idea what this is. Constant Pluto script. Oh. So script. Okay, so I just need to get this guy. Seaboard. Okay. So Seabor is being sketchy. Why is it being sketchy? Seabor is possibly null. Okay, so this needs to be V3.
It's in your type there. You've got it as string or null, defines as null. So you could just put a little operator in maybe just to check it's there first.
Like that's it.
No, you. In fact, no, don't. Hang on a minute.
Uh-huh.
Oh, React.
Seabor is null. Why would it be null and like why didn't it show
Because
null before?
you've got you use state. You've got string or null line 8.
Oh, because it's
Doesn't
getting
like that.
confused with this Seabor because this is completely different. Let me change this. You're right. So now it won't have that issue because this Seabor is not the same as this
Nothing to do with
Seabor.
it. Yeah, it's just defined it as.
Yeah, yeah. So instead of Plutus script, we have said just constant script. Oh, I feel like this part needs to be okay. That's better. Yeah, I would like to do that. And set address. It's not Plutus script. This is just script, right? Script, yeah. Okay, so I think we have this component set. So we haven't used Seabor anywhere. So I would like to put that as well. Pluto script address is an address, and this is the okay. Feel good about this. Everything is a string and all of that. Now that we have resolved the address and the Seabor, I want to display it on the front end. Oh, I need to make this a client component, by the way. Okay, so I made this a client component. Let me import it here. I imported it here. Instead of this guy, I will just put this. And let's see what we have on the front end.
Drum roll.
Yes, 200, so I feel good about
Yay.
it.
You haven't saved.
Fuck off. Okay. Okay.
What?
What is it saying? Let me
Spin
see.
artifacts isn't saved, eh?
Yes, save first and then run.
Wait, what was
Oh,
that?
the client user
You need to
effect.
save.
This React code.
Mm, Importing a
Yeah, I
component
think you're
that
right because
needs
it is with a client component. Let's just try saving it.
only works in a client component.
You need to turn your autosave on.
Wait, I thought I saved everything. No, did I not save everything?
Is it?
Okay, let me
Oh,
just
hang
save
on.
all of this.
Spend artifacts needs to be a use client as well. Was it?
Oh,
Or
no,
does
it
it?
is use client. Did I not? Wait, that is use client.
Okay.
This guy, no one cares for this guy.
About the page.
I
Have you
think,
saved it?
but now it shows
Yeah.
200. I feel good.
There
Okay,
you
so
go.
there it
Yeah, it
is.
was saving it. It wasn't saved.
Yeah, it was just like, so we have our address. So that means if we send anything to this address, we have to send the right redeemer to unlock it. So let me actually try and send something. So is this a test address? Yeah, it is a test address. Oh, how is this a test address?
Um,
Uh,
Last
did
week
why
I
you made
that
a test
because I
address.
didn't
why
change?
it's a test address? Is
Oh,
this
no. So I
resolved?
should technically put one here for test. But since I don't know, maybe maybe the default is one.
Yes, the default is testnet. I
Oh,
think.
beautiful. Okay, okay. That makes sense. That makes
Does
sense.
anybody have any questions at this stage? Because you've done quite a bit there.
Oh, yeah. I rest through. So please, yeah, now is a great time for questions. Yes. Ahmad, like actually anyone, just like if whatever you have,
Yeah.
let's try it out and figure it out right now.
So my own question is this encode uh encode, like we tried to encode. I don't know what's really going on. Maybe we are, maybe I don't know. Maybe we are. I don't know what's really going on with this encode to dot to string and now converting it to X, because we should maybe, for example, try to run it from the ordinary node side. I, we, this I don't know
So how
if
about
we
this?
should
Let's
try
do
to
this. Let's do this. I
what
am going to comment this out, and I'm just going to put a comma here, and let's see what happens. Why is this import
uh,
cbor code?
and
No,
yeah,
this
and
is
one
not
of the
this
things I
guy.
would just
Uh-huh.
like us to explore is, if we did not add this, are we still we will, like, will we still arrive at the same script address? I know that's actually maybe not possible. Like arriving at the same Cbor Pluto script and the address.
I mean, technically, we'll arrive at the same cbor. Wait, so you're saying uh, if we don't convert it to the string here, to string, if we remove to string, you're asking if we'll arrive at the exact same script address?
Yeah, I'm not sure we would arrive at the same script address.
I would think I mean, like the script address technically only depends on this v3 part and this compiled code part. The rest is just we are just changing types, right? Are we even able to resolve it in the first place if we change the type? Because this is like a this is something that Mesh has provided. So code has to be string. So is this already string? Let's see if this thing is already a string. Is encode gives a buffer array. Nope, this
Do you
is an
know?
object. So it has to be
Um,
converted into a string.
Actually, maybe you can just do something like this. Just try to
Mhm.
remove this, remove the end from the cbor.encode to the from that open bracket of the Pluto script, and just leave the plutos.validator.compile code. Let's see what is going to happen.
What am I removing this part? Buffer
Yes,
from?
yes.
Okay, let's see. Let me try that.
No, okay, yes, yes.
This is what you're saying?
To the cbor, I just want us to pass in the normal CBOR code we are getting from our blueprint of Plutus.json.
Um, so what is happening here? We are directly encoding
Yes,
um
the
our
CBOR.
validator.
Yes, like the
So
CBOR
we are
X from
encoding our
Aiken.
compiled code. So we are
Yes,
basically encoding. Let me open the Plutus.json. So we are directly encoding this guy.
yes.
Okay. So currently what we have is string. It is a string formatted thing, correct? But if when you are doing buffer, you are converting the string to a byte array, correct?
I guess so.
Does encode what does encode take? It takes an
Yeah,
object.
like let's remove the encode and the like let's remove the encode X. Let's just pass the plutos.validator.compile code.
Oh, just remove. Where
Yeah,
are we
yeah.
passing it?
To the code of this object of the Pluto script.
Oh, so instead
Yeah,
of
yeah, yeah, yeah.
cboard
Yeah, yeah,
dot,
yeah,
we
yeah,
are
yeah, yeah.
directly doing this then. Okay,
Yes, 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 yes.
let's do
Yeah.
that.
Yes.
Okay, right.
Yeah.
And why is this being sketchy? Okay, so it's I mean it seems to be fine. Okay, let's see what we have right now. So we have 680z, and then we'll check. We'll do one more time. What we'll do is we will build this. So I can build. Oh shit! I keep forgetting. CD hello world.
I don't think anything will be changing.
Yeah, that's what we are checking, right? Like we have basically we need to check if either the this one or
Okay.
the address changed, right?
Yes. Mm.
So I just did the Aiken build, and after that we just go back here and maybe refresh. So it compiled again. So oh, the
Yeah.
address changed.
No, this is not testnet. I think the one is
Wait, one is mainnet?
yes. Let's see
Oh shit.
If you hover over it, might tell you hover over resolve.
You know, it says
yeah,
network ID, then
network
we'll need
ID.
to check network
Yeah, you'd
ID.
be in the docs. I imagine it would say what the
Yeah, yeah. I
default.
mean, so we'll check anyway. So
Yeah.
So
if we do
let's
this, oh shit, this is a completely other one.
yeah.
What the
So
fuck is going on?
I just like it's a very big problem in even Cardano right now. The CBOR standard. That's why I just and I'm not sure what Mesh did on that, like what's on that documentation as well.
Oh,
So yeah, we'll continue exploring. Let's just maybe we'll see if we can, if we can unlock the UTXO with either the same, either of the different formats.
yeah. I just want to check one thing. 5A58A0010, right? I just want to check if that's what we have in 58A. Okay, so this is good.
Mm.
So the compiled code is being the exact same, but somehow the Pluto script address is changing, which is crazy to me. Okay, cool. We'll see. We'll see what happens. So we have these artifacts. Now what I'll do is I'll send something there, and this is for all of you guys. You guys will have to unlock that. Okay. So I have all of
You don't
these
need to
assets.
deploy it first.
No, we don't need to deploy it. I mean, we can deploy it if we need the transactions to be cheaper, but we don't have to deploy it. You can directly, I can share the um, Plutus.json file with you, and you can use that to like unlock
Okay.
stuff.
Right there.
Yeah, let me send this. What am I sending? So
No,
how many of you guys are there here right now? I'm going to send those many tokens so that each of you can open.
and and actually, yeah, just to be on the safer side, can we just
Uh-huh.
take that back to what we have on the mesh docs, like the encode and just
Oh yeah,
undo.
yeah, absolutely,
We should just undo
absolutely.
it.
Because we're all scared that we'll screw up.
Yeah, let's just undo it.
Where were we? Where were we? So this one, right?
Yeah,
So
we
in
just undo
code,
it.
what they did is cbor
Simple dot encode
dot encode and let me
dot
get this guy out.
x.
Yes, that's fine. Okay, so that's what we have. Just to make it look nicer, this is what they did. Uh,
Uh,
okay,
I
the
think
same
there's
thing, the same thing.
I think there is also one x here in the parameter of this encode. There's a second parameter that
Oh,
is
you're right. There's a buffer.
yes. This
Buffer. Wait, let
yes,
me buffer from.
yes. Not
Okay.
changing into
Is
x like
that
that.
the right one or is this my AI
Yeah,
being?
let's confirm, but it's the right one. Yes.
Oh, yeah. So, yes, it is buffer from.
Mm,
Okay.
mm.
Cool. Let's see again what we get. So it's all compiled. So let's try this here. It's 4890. Let's see what happens now. It's 6. We are back to 680Z.
Yes. Yeah.
Okay, cool. Well, this is where we're at. So now I'm going to send something here. Your job. So there, how many people are there? Let me see. One, two, three, four, five, and six people. So I'm going to send 6 tokens to this address. You guys will have to unlock those tokens. Okay. So send. And what am I going to add an asset? What assets do I have? We have 1000 Plutus PBL. I'm going to add an asset. And how many are there? 6, right? So I'm going to put 6. And I'm going to close this. Uh,
How come it says unknown script address?
unknown script address will, I mean, I don't know what that means. What does unknown script address even mean? So yeah, this will probably go through unless something happens. Yeah, I think this will go through. I don't see why it wouldn't go through. I mean, it's saying unknown script address because I guess it doesn't know what that script is. Yeah, there it is. So all of these guys have gone there already. Let's quickly check Cardano scan. And I'll put the address there. This is mainnet, so I'll go to pre-prod and I will put this guy there and let's search. So it received its first tokens. So there it is in this address 680Z. Just to double check, this is 680Z. We have 6 of the PPBL scaffolding tokens. So now the big boys, Andrew and Emmanuel, you will have to help me unlock one of these tokens. How will we do it?
Well, so we've got to build a transaction to we've got to build a spend transaction.
Absolutely. We will have to build a spend transaction. How do we go about that? Where do we even start?
Well, I personally would build the transaction and server side,
Oh,
but
yeah.
that transaction will need things. So it'll need UTXOs from the user's wallet. So you can obtain those UTXOs from the user's wallet and send them to the back end.
Mm-hmm.
Probably need the user's address as well. And then you could build the transaction on the back end and then send back the transaction hash for signing back on the front end.
Yes. But remember, this is not a TRPC site. This is a next
Yeah, we don't need to use
app router.
TRPC. We don't necessarily need to use TRPC, but
Yeah. So we'll have to do it directly from the server side this time. Yeah. Um. But wait. Should I push this? I might as well. Uh, Spellings friend. Okay. Okay, cool. So I push this to the main. If you guys want to pull it from your side and use it. Oh, do you guys even have that? I didn't even share this, did I? So this is where I'm pushing everything. So whatever we did today, you should be able to get it here. It's basically you'll have to go to Gimbalabs, and in Gimbalabs, you'll have to go to Mesh Open Spaces. Let me share that in our chat. Just in case you guys want to pull it, fork it or something. There you go. Um, so what do you guys think? Should I continue with this, or does one of you want to take over and demonstrate how to build a transaction? Or you can tell me how to build the transaction from your side, and I can build it directly from here.
yeah, I
I'm
think
totally
we'll
either.
carry on like that, and I can give some guidance. Definitely would get the hook set up.
All
I
right,
think that's a
sounds
nice one to
good.
show.
Yes. So whenever there are hooks, Andrew gets excited.
Yeah, very. Yeah.
Let me make one hooks thing here. So I should directly make a hooks folder on the root, right?
Ooh, no, I would do that within the
Where would you
app,
do it?
actually. But
Where would
I've got
you?
to screw my
Uh-huh.
head back on here. We're in app router, aren't we? Just open the app folder.
Mm-hmm.
Yes, I'd build your hook inside that. I'd have a hook folder in there.
Hook folder
Personally,
in
but
here.
there's probably it probably doesn't matter. But
Yeah, I mean,
oh yeah,
I-
because we're on the app router. Oh yeah. Okay, yeah, try it. Try it your way. How are you gonna do it?
Yeah, the reason I am thinking it should be on the root level because the components are in the root
Yeah,
level.
yeah, yeah. I'm not in Pages Router anymore.
Yeah. Mm, okay. So what are we doing? So we have an address from which we want to unlock an asset. And we have the CBOR and the address at this moment as strings. Um, what do we do? So we have created a hook folder. Now what?
Right. So if you create, well, you can name it anything you like, but use artifact.ts.
The hook.
Yeah.
Oh, where's the hook? All right. So I'm going to call it artifact.ts.
Notice it's not got the
Use
X at the end because we're not returning a component in the React sort of sense. We're just going to be returning functions and data to and from. Still think you'll need
Are
to use
you
it.
speaking about what a hook is?
Yeah.
Okay, cool.
I think it'll still need to be a use effect, mind you.
Yes. So
I
I'm
just
going
for
to do
naming
that.
convention, I would call it use
Oh,
artifact.
you're right. Yeah, it has to be use.
Doesn't
No,
have to be, it's just
is it a naming
convention.
convention? I thought it is.
No, it's naming
It's a
convention.
really. I thought it wouldn't work if we don't use this. Okay.
Yeah. Mm.
Use effect from React.
It
Okay,
will need
but
to be use client.
uh oh,
Client.
our hooks are client side component.
They are
Okay.
in the app router. I checked the docs before. I did prepare, you see.
I see. I see.
In the pages router you don't, but you um
Okay, so we have made it a client component and we have imported use effect. Um, should I start defining the hook?
yeah, I will. Well, I would start by just creating a normal export function. So like export function, use artifact. Um, it doesn't need to take any arguments, I don't think.
Hmm.
Okay. All right. What are you using? Windsurf? What are you using?
I am using anti-gravity.
Okay, yeah, I'd get rid of it because it.
Well,
Well, okay. Well, just going back to your import statements, Harsha. So
uh-huh.
what we actually need to do here is we need to import the use wallet hook from Mesh SDK, which
Yep.
is
See, anti-gravity already knew it. So yeah, next.
because that's what because this is the magic of the mesh wrapper that you made last week is that we
Mm-hmm.
can tap into that at any time.
Yeah,
Uh,
this is the mesh wrapper right
but
here.
but one part of it is that it does need the wallet does need to be connected, but a part of that hook allows you to check that.
Yes.
So just under where you've defined the function, the first one I would thought is yeah, const what oh yeah, it's clever, isn't it? This AI stuff. Yeah. Put it
Yeah, I mean, we'll get the wallet, we'll get connected,
connected,
right?
that's the one. Yeah. So anything we
Connected.
do underneath, we need to check now that it is going to be connected. So,
Uh-huh.
what are we going to need for our transaction? We're going to need, well, we probably don't need a lot. We don't need the assets, but we do need the user's UTXOs. Would you agree?
Yes, we need the UTXOs from, there's only one UTXO in that wallet, so we'll have to query that UTXO, yes.
Okay. So you could do a
I,
yeah, use effect.
okay.
Okay, use effect.
So, oh, it's yeah. So if connected, that's great. We've got to check that we're connected, and you probably want to check that the wallet's there as well. So if connected and wallet,
Okay. Oh, sorry. If I'm gonna put both of these and then if connected and wallet, beautiful.
yeah. And then
And I
let's
would think, yes, here you go.
so
Okay.
inside your if statement, let's yeah, you're not right this time. Okay. Yeah, I love speaking to AI. So const UTXOs.
Oh. So you're basically getting all the UTXOs from the wallet that is connected.
Yeah.
Okay.
And if you just want to, so this is where you can, if for whatever reason, so say if you try to use that hook inside your what was the component you were using before? That's on the front end. It wouldn't work. In fact, that might even need, does it need to be async?
So you're
It'll need,
saying I can't directly use this hook in one of my
no,
components?
no, you can use the hook, but if you
Uh-huh.
try to use the use wallet hook inside your client component, it wouldn't work. And there is a slight issue with what we've got so far because it needs to be an async await. So in your
Oh, so this one needs to be a wait, right?
yes, where are we?
Uh,
Get assets, const, UTXOs. Hang on, what's the best way to do that?
no, there it is.
That's the one. Yeah. So then you need to have a wait on just in front on line 11 in front of wallet.
In front of wallet. Line 11. Oh, okay.
Yep.
So why are these guys being
Don't know what's
sketchy?
happened there.
I
Hover
think you just click on tab.
Tab. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Cool. So we fetch the UTXOs. Fetch UTXOs. Oh, so what exactly is happening here? So we in the use effect, we are defining fetch UTXOs, which is an async function. And if the wallet is connected and the wallet object is found, we are getting the UTXOs. And
Yeah.
then you are fetching the UTXOs later. Oh, so you are
Uh,
creating a little function here,
Yeah.
and then you are activating the function after that function body ends, right?
No, that doesn't look quite right. What are we doing there? Oh no.
Can't really can't really say
You,
much from the front end part, but I think if we are to move on with this pattern of getting the UTXO from the wallet first, then the next thing will be to get the collateral from the wallet.
yeah, absolutely. Yes,
Collateral.
because you're
Yes.
good shout, Emmanuel.
Yep. Yep.
Yeah.
You can do that inside the same
Inside the same in the
Yeah. Yeah.
line
yeah.
11, just go next to the second line.
Second line, like right here, I'm assuming.
No, I think we won't be needing to call this what's it called? This function, the fetch UTXO function. We could just name it maybe
So this is what where I
Ah,
am
sorry.
confused.
Right, no, yeah. So
Uh-huh.
before you get into your use effect, you want to set a use state and have UTXOs and set UTXOs. There
yeah,
we go.
Okay.
exactly.
And
Yes.
then once you've so under line 12, that's where you want to set your UTXOs. There we go.
Use state of use
Uh,
effect. Okay. We have that. So UTXS is being sketchy. Why is UTXS being? Oh, because
Set the
let's
state.
call this UTXOs,
or maybe
and let's call
wallet
okay.
UTXO.
Oh shit! What? No. Oh yeah, wallet
It's just the
UTXOs.
type. Ah, sure. It's you probably need to set it in the just in the use state. So on line 8.
On line
It's
8.
saying
Oh, so this
just
is
give
like any type.
array.
What?
Just give it
Is
string.
it,
Just put string. Remove the array. Just give
No,
it a string.
no, because I think we'll be getting
no, because it'll be an
objects.
array.
Okay, okay,
Yeah,
yeah,
it'll be
yeah,
an
okay,
array of
okay,
objects.
okay.
So you'd have you input UTXO. I think it's UTXOs from at mesh SDK/core.
No, but this
You
is
import the
so.
type from mesh itself.
No. So the type is already being inferred.
Okay.
You see that?
So what's the issue on the line 13 then?
Yeah, so this is what I'm trying to. Argument of type is not assignable to the parameter of
Oh, right.
type.
Okay. Yeah, because you've
Unit
I would say so.
Oh, so it is basically saying this type is an issue. Wait, so what is the uh
import the type UTXO into
oh, so
Yeah,
the
yeah, I think
yeah,
character.
that makes sense. Yep. So we'll do that.
but
And
yeah,
yes,
just like that.
this is it. This is it. Okay, cool. Now that makes sense. Return UTXO. No. Um, I'm going to ignore this, whatever this is. Are we returning something
I
somewhere?
don't think we need to
No.
return anything.
Yeah. So we are fine here. Okay. So we have set the UTXOs now. We haven't used this UTXOs anywhere yet, and that is why it is shouting like that. Okay. So what's next? We need to get collateral, right?
Yeah, so I'd follow the same pattern.
So
Um,
I'm thinking we will go. Oh, or maybe should we just do it here?
yeah, just
Oh yeah.
set your state, probably line 10, and
Yeah, let's do that. So what would we do here? Const collateral. Uh, so we okay. Constant collateral is utxos dot find assets. Asset. Oh, no, this is bullshit. So how do we set the collateral? Do we have something?
you get it. So if you got a wait wallet,
Uh, wait, wallet dot get collateral.
perfect. Yeah.
Okay. Okay, so we'll leave that here. We're not going to create like a set collateral thing. Okay.
So you want to do that as well?
But my biggest issue with setting collateral is that we keep using it, right? And it keeps going away, right? But same as the thing with UTXOs. So I guess maybe we can set collateral as well. Uh, uh, Collateral is a
Yeah,
array
it's
of
the same.
UTXOs,
Yeah,
right?
it's the same. Yeah.
So okay. Okay, cool.
Mesh can handle some of this itself, but it's best that it performs best when you state it implicitly.
Yeah, makes sense. Yeah. Okay, so we have UTXOs from our wallet and we have the collateral and we have saved both of them in these use states. Okay, so what is next?
Well, I don't know. It might be if you wanted to just show how the hook works on the front end, because before we actually use it for the transaction, you could uh, import that hook in your front end and just map over your UTXOs. It just might be a nice little thing to show,
Oh yeah,
which I know is
absolutely.
more of a React thing, but it's
Yeah.
a nice thing to sort of
Let's
show.
actually do one thing. Let's display the UTXOs
Yeah, exactly.
and the collateral on the front end.
Yes, yeah,
Make sense? So I'll directly go to this guy, and I will add the hook here.
yeah. Import hook, whatever it's called.
Use artifact from wait,
Yeah.
what's happening? Okay.
So then maybe line 12 in front of the use effect.
Yeah. Yeah.
Or yeah,
So where do
it's just conventional to you often define them near the top of the inside the function. So maybe line 12 on top of.
my question is, should I be using the hook inside of
No,
use effect or outside of it?
no, outside of the effect.
Okay.
That's a
So
separate
I'll just
part of
say
your component.
const, what should I call it? Uh, um,
Yeah, open your
UTXOs.
brackets. Yes, that's perfect. It was there. That
UTX.
was
I'm gonna just say some shit. Okay, cool.
no, what AI was giving you was right. It needs to
Well,
be open curly brackets.
why is that?
That's just convention because you're
That,
destructuring the objects.
that
Oh, because it's an object. What we are getting is an object.
Mm,
Really?
I'm going to pass on that question because I'm not getting into the React semantics. But you need to import. Um,
No.
you
So
need to import the state um, components of the hook. So what you AI, that's it. Yeah.
No, but so the
Sorry, and
problem with this is that it
we need
is
to export
these are
them. Sorry.
firstly these are not objects. UTXOs is a oh, it is an object. It's an array of
It
stuff.
will be. We just didn't. We didn't export it at the end. That's my mistake. So at the
Oh,
bottom,
like
go back
that.
into your hook.
So if we go back here, where do we export right after this? Right after use
No.
effect, right?
Yeah.
Like
Return.
this.
Perfect. We do need to return. Of course, we did. Yeah.
Okay,
That's why
yeah,
it was doing that.
makes sense.
And now
So
you've
now
turned
that
it
we
into an
returned
object
it,
by doing that.
okay, perfect. Now these guys show up. So let me just add JSON.stringify. Beautiful.
Oh
Let's
no! Can we map over it at least? I don't want any of this JSON stringify nonsense. Could you just
Why
do?
is that?
Because you know we're doing it's there. Come here.
No, let's actually see what shows up, and then we will
Yeah,
see.
we
Okay,
can.
so
Oh, we haven't got any
it
UTX.
just shows that it's empty. Do you know why it's empty?
Have you not made a trans?
No, because I
Oh,
didn't
you're
connect
not
my wallet.
connected.
Not connected
Hey,
Yeah.
wallet.
hey.
All right.
That's
So,
why. That's ugly. Horrible.
oh, everything's ugly. Don't get me wrong. We haven't even got into beautifying stuff yet. Uh, so, but yeah, so it gives the collateral here, which is an array of UTXOs, and the other one is basically the array of all the UTXOs in my wallet.
Yeah.
Cool. Okay.
Yeah.
So now this is how JSON stringify looks, but Andrew has an idea that will make it look pretty, right?
Absolutely.
Thank you, Emmanuel. Yeah. Thank you.
What did
So yeah,
Emmanuel say?
if you want to just, he was agreeing with me, I think.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
All right.
I think. Well, yeah.
Um,
So you let's go. Let's take out lines 29 and 30.
29 and 30.
And
Like
to be fair, we
completely
don't
take
need to
them
be
out?
doing this because this is supposed to be a mesh thing. So I'm sorry,
Okay.
people,
Yeah.
but we have got to do it properly. So if you open brackets, start with curly brackets.
Start with curly brackets.
Yeah.
Yes.
And then let's go. There we go. Perfect. So it realized, it knew I was disgusted. Yeah. Yeah. And then just okay, that's fine. And that's just going to
Key
return.
is UTXO transaction hash, and then it shows the transaction. Do we want the transaction hash? What do
Yeah,
you?
we could put something different in, but just to show that. Oh, you could.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. Wait, so let me see. What does the UTXO actually have? I want to see one before we jump in. I want to understand the UTXO type because I
Yeah.
think the UTXO type has, what does it have? I thought it has unit.
It's
No,
got
no,
yeah,
no,
it's got a
no.
few
Let
things. You
me
can if you hover over it, uh
uh, let me close shit. So I keep trying this. Can you explain the type UTXO?
you can probably view
Um,
it from your code editor. You don't necessarily need to.
really?
Yeah, if you hover
The
over it.
the type
No, no, but it just
the
says the type is UTXO, but
Yeah,
I
yeah.
want,
So and
the type
or
UTXO is the input and the output dot input dot the input dot transaction
yeah,
hash index and the output yeah.
or maybe should I?
if you import the actual UTXO type from Mesh itself, and then you can drill down and have a look into it.
Yeah,
Yeah.
yeah, that's what I'm trying to
It's in
figure.
if you go inside the use artifact hook, I think we imported it.
Oh, oh, right here.
Yeah,
Yes,
there we go.
let's
If
see.
you there you go.
TX
Yeah,
input, TX
input
output.
and
Beautiful.
Yeah.
output.
Okay. So this needs to be TX input. Okay. And transaction input.
No, I don't.
Wait, what the fuck is TX? Oh, so
Yeah, I
input and
don't.
output. So if I want to know,
I don't think that's right, Harsha. I would.
I think
you
what
don't think that's right?
Well, what I would do is I would import the UTXO type into your into the
yeah,
front end component
you know what you do right
No,
now.
but why
Just
would you say this is not right?
because that's the type you need to import. You need to put input, not TX input. TX input is the type you're trying to.
the
Oh, like
object
that. Oh,
Yeah,
okay.
so
Got it.
UTXO dot input.
Yeah.
Yeah, you got it.
Okay.
So it actually reads that.
And I'm
then
gonna just put output just for fun. Oh, sorry. Okay. But it is getting
You'll
sketchy.
need
Oh,
to
because
set it.
output I'll have to put amount. Yeah, so I'll
Yeah,
put it.
that's fine. Yeah.
It's still sketchy. Let's see what it's saying.
just
Transaction type, transaction input is not assignable to the type key.
I would just put yeah, see, so when you're
as
using as that's just more of a React thing. So what I would do is just move your cursor away so I can see. So on line 29, where
Mm-hmm.
you've got UTXO, if you just put a comma and put index as well next to where you on line 29, see where you've
Uh-huh.
got UTXO defined
Uh-huh.
as an argument. Don't
Uh-huh.
put a comma and then put index next to it.
Like actual
Yeah,
index. Okay.
the index, and then where inside the key brackets on line 30, just write index.
Oh.
There we go. Okay. I'm not sure why that's an issue, but that's not iterating correctly.
Uh,
can you over on this next one? Yeah.
UTXO.
Type
Oh.
asset is not assignable to React node. Asset is not assignable to.
Do you know what? I would actually just do UTXO dot input and then see what
Okay,
that gives
let's
you.
try that.
It's because we haven't got the
So
typing
I
side
still
on.
think because this can be undefined.
I think you
Uh,
should just
no.
display the UTXO itself and not dots.
Transaction.
It will
What
be
was that?
like dash.
I think you can just display just UTXO without any um.
Oh, just UTXO.
Let's
Let's
try
try
just
that as well.
UTXO.
Hmm.
Yeah.
Okay.
Not sure that'll work.
Oh, that.
What you're
This
best
this
off
random thing
doing
is
is
showing up.
if you just import the type from mesh and then
Okay,
set the
let's
type
import the type.
in the
Like,
map.
are we importing the UTXO or transaction input type? Like,
No, yeah, okay, fair enough. Yeah. If
okay, when once
no,
we imported the transaction input type
no, you want to import the UTXO type,
or UTXO type,
I think.
okay.
Sorry, it took us off on a
UTXO.
tangent here. We shouldn't.
Wait, what is wrong? Why? Oh, its value is declared but never
Okay,
used.
so then on line 30 after UTXO.
Uh-huh.
Oh, okay, we've got
Am
index.
I defining the type here?
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay, and then hopefully that'll. Well, why is there syntax
I
there?
think the type has been done already.
Yeah,
You,
that's what I was thinking. It
yeah.
defined the type, but
So
here is the problem. Yeah, go
what
ahead, Emmanuel.
like what are we trying to do? We want to map out like each and every UTXO, giving it the key of the index and the output, right?
Yes.
Just
Or some
anything.
whatever. We
Just anything.
put anything, yeah.
Yeah.
Anything that displays based on the index.
Okay.
Yeah.
I think
If you press Control over UTXO, hold down Control and press UT on the UTXO type.
This one right here?
Yeah. Hold Control on your keyboard and then press it, and press your left mouse button. Sorry.
Okay, yeah, I already pressed it and this is what it showed. I'm gonna,
Oh, something's gone a bit wrong there. Yeah.
okay. So,
It'll jump to the. It should jump to the. Oh,
okay.
I don't know. Maybe your setup's a bit different than mine. It's just so we could actually see what the type is, and then you'll know what you need to put in there. Um,
can you just remove this type? Yeah, the UTXO type, this one.
This guy?
Okay, yeah, okay, it's still the same thing. Yeah, so we should now come to the UTXO. Let's get the output. Let's try UTXO dot output dot
Address.
output. Yeah, it's already going it dot
Okay, let's do this.
output dot value string
So why is value not
just
showing
see if
up?
it
doesn't
renders first,
have-
Harsha.
Right now?
Yeah, just see if it
Right
renders.
now it doesn't render because I already see the red. So let's anyway like see.
That doesn't mean it's not going to render.
That's true, that's true. Okay, so it's rendering exactly like previously.
You've got to save it,
Um,
I imagine.
oh yeah, you're right. Oh, it's not rendering anything. Oh, it's just rendering these guys. And let me connect my wallet. Yeah, it's not
Okay.
rendering
Yeah, because it's
anything.
not picking it up. That's fair enough.
Um, um,
Oh,
so
sorry, we need, is it even returning it?
I okay, instead of all of this, I want to just check index. What if we just say index? And just okay,
There
so
you
we
go.
are getting 0 to 8. So I'm assuming I have 8 UTXOs in my
Yeah,
wallet. Is that what it is?
yeah, that's right.
Okay, cool.
Well, nine technically.
Oh yeah, yeah, 9, 9, yeah. Okay. So now that we are able to render index, our issue is we don't understand this type UTX. So I'm actually, you know what? I'm going to quickly check the UTXO type
The
here.
thing is, it is like if we should not. I think the AI
Address.
is confusing. Is the AI that is
You're right. Yeah, it
the
is.
AI is the AI is already giving you the wrong value. Then you just accept. So right
Wait,
now,
which value is wrong in the AI?
like the one we were accepting,
Yeah.
like the type
No,
is
so
already
forget about the AI now. I'm not accepting anything. We have
yeah, okay,
UTXO here.
now.
You see the UTXO
So
here? UTXO.
yes,
I've
dot
got the type
dot
open
Dot
now. So if you go
dot
yeah, so
input,
that go to output, yes,
go
output.
output, you can have
output
No, just
question mark.
enter it. It has given you. Yeah, then dot maybe
not
See, we'll
value.
have to amount, we'll have to enter output amount.
yeah, let's see the amount. Let's
Yeah.
see if it will accept the amount right now.
The amount is not a great one to do because that is another array. So then you'd
Yeah,
need
yeah,
to
yeah.
map
That's what I was
again.
thinking. Maybe
Yeah.
address.
Address is fine, yeah.
Okay.
Yeah,
So
so you can
here
see
you
that
go.
it
So
is
it has
accepting
There
it
we
right
go.
activated.
now.
I've saved this. Let's
So
try and
the
check this.
Damn AI.
AI just keeps conflicting things. That's
Yeah, yeah. I agree, guys. Like, whenever we fail, we'll blame the AI. So see, this worked. So we have basically successfully displayed the address in the output, which is basically this address, DKS, DKS. Okay, so now let's try to figure out how to display the amount. So the amount is another, like we
so
already saw here, it is another array of shit. So we will have to say,
we would have to map out for each and every of them and display it. Just
yeah, so I want to see how we do that. So I
yes,
say
dot amount
amount amount.
dot map
Oh, sorry, amount
dot
dot
map.
Yeah.
map
Then yeah,
asset dot unit, right?
yes,
Yeah, that would work. Yeah.
yes.
All right. I'm gonna keep it just the way it is. So this is unit. So that means I'll be getting a big string that is a unification of policy ID and the asset name, correct?
I think so.
Yeah. Or let's okay. We can also do asset dot
Yeah, that's
amount as
right.
well.
That is right. We got it. So, uh,
I'll be back in a minute.
yeah. So what is
Uh,
this Lovelace FB? Lovelace. Oh, because in that UTXO there is both Lovelace and this unit. Is that
yeah,
what's happening
interesting.
here?
Yeah, but it's not separating it, I
Yeah,
think.
we'll have to write the code for separating it. So I have 7 UTXOs with Lovelace and one UTXO, two UTXOs with other things. Let's
Mm.
check if that is true. So we'll go to the UTXO list here. Uh, and I have two UTXOs with tokens, exactly like we see, two UTXOs with tokens, and all the other UTXOs are just Lovelace UTXOs.
Mm.
So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Is that correct? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, that's right. So we somehow managed to display this. Guys, now is another good time to ask questions. How confused are you guys at this point? I don't even know how many people are still here. All right. So people are here. Newman is here. Teva is here. Ahmed is
I'm
here. Uh,
I'm surviving.
you're
Katisma.
surviving. Fair enough. Fair enough. Uh, in
Yeah.
any questions? Anything you want to clarify here?
I just wanted to ask,
Uh-huh.
while we're trying to get we were trying to like get the collateral. What exactly is collateral?
That's a very good question. So, you basically, when you are trying to interact with a smart contract, I can create like a bad transaction and send it to the smart contract, which it will reject, right? But this can be used. Sending bad transactions can be used as a DDoS attack. So that means I'll send like a 100,000 bad transactions and I'll clog up the chain, and no one will be able to like
Oh,
get transactions through. So what
And
they are doing is, hey, every time you send a bad transaction like that, some amount of money will be cut from you. So when you are disincentivized to send bad transactions, you are stopping the DDoS attacks basically on the blockchain. Does that make sense?
yeah, kind of makes sense.
Yeah.
it's like it's basically you're still paying for the transaction even though it would fail.
Yeah.
So that's what the extra UTXO is for. It's
Yep.
usually just on a good transaction. It usually just gets sent back. Well, it's not used, but it's there as sort of like a fail safe.
Oh.
Yep. Yep. Okay. So now, is there anything you guys want? So up until now, we have connected the wallet. We have gotten the artifacts of a specific smart contract, like a spending smart contract. And then we have gotten all the assets or the UTXOs from our wallet and displayed it on the front end. Is there anything else we need to do after this? So,
I think
because our goal is to finally interact with the smart contract whose artifacts we have created and unlock a UTXO from there. So,
Just,
this is where we are at. What is the next step? Does
just
anyone have any idea?
I think we're up to time. 10 minutes to.
yeah, we got 10 minutes left, but
Yeah, we've got only 10 minutes. So, I think this is a good place to be. I feel like even if we wanted to continue it next week. Um,
um,
so,
to answer your question then, because that's a fair question. So now that we have what we need to build the transaction,
mhm.
because we can set the well, in theory, you could set a little form in the front end to input the redeemer. But that would be a nice little thing. And then send the redeemer as
Okay.
well. We don't. Well, no, do you know what? We won't do that because that's
I mean,
reactive.
we,
Yeah.
we don't need a form in the front end because it's a constant redeemer. It doesn't change. It's always hello world.
Yes, but you could have set it up so you could send a wrong string, which would then fail, and then you
Oh,
could
yeah,
send a
yeah, yeah.
correct string. But never mind. Ultimately, we've got what
No,
we.
I think we should do that so that people
Okay.
like make all the mistakes, figure it out. We
Yeah.
can set that up as well next week.
Okay.
Um, and
So,
send both like a good transaction with a hello world redeemer and a bad transaction with some others redeemer.
yeah.
Um,
So next
yeah.
week, I think we can build the transaction server side, and then send the UTXOs and the collateral UTXO from the front end to the server, and then that server will build the transaction and send back the transaction hash for signing, which you will be able to use the Eternal wallet that's connected to sign the transaction. That sound good?
Sounds good. Sounds good. So, Andrew or Emmanuel, does either one of you want to lead next week's live coding session?
Yeah, I'll go for it.
You'll go for it? Okay, perfect. So, Andrew is your host for next week. That's awesome. So, I think we'll call it a day for today. But before that, if anyone has any questions, now is the time. Any questions, anyone?
No question, but a comment. This is Newman. That was really great. I had a blast listening in. Sort of as you work through these problems all together, it was, I think, really, really good content. Yeah, appreciate it.
Oh, I'm glad you made it, Newman, by the way.
Yeah, yeah. This is normally I'm normally I just have a Thanksgiving week hole in the schedule and was able to drop in. I think working through problems and the tutorials like this, every tutorial, and you guys are doing the Mesh Hello World Aiken or Hello Aiken tutorial should have this type of supporting thing. Yeah, Manuel, maybe you could pass this on to the Mesh crew. Like there's little things that the users discover that the people who write the documentation don't know. So we just user tested that documentation and then getting into those little rabbit holes. That's what it's all about. Like we're really Gimbalabs is doing the real work of building Cardano developers, and you're all here for it. So really, really kudos.
Yeah.
Right. Thank you,
Yeah.
Newman. And with that, let's call it a week. Let me stop sharing first.
Thanks,
And
Archie.
then
Top
let
job,
me
mate.
stop recording. All right.